In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade oil inside of Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com and then log into your account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once I'm here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to head over to the products tab over here and then open up the super chart so we can actually start trading oil inside of Tradingview. Once I'm here, it should bring something like this. And as you can see here, there's a big chart of gold right here inside of the main dashboard. Now, before we can change this, we'll need to head over to the trading option inside of the right-hand corner called Trade with Broker. And then from here, you'll need to add in your specific broker that you want to trade oil with. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use paper trading, but you can choose any of these other ones. These will also support oil. From here, you'll simply need to click connect. And once from here, you'll be able to see all of my positions inside of my paper trading account. Now, once from here, you'll simply need to head over to the search bar up here called simple search and click up here. Once from here, you'll simply need to head over and click in WTI, as in West Texas Intermediate Crude Oil Cash. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so. And as you can see over here, now the chart has updated with West Texas Interactive Crude Oil Cash. Now to buy oil or trade oil, you simply need to click buy over here or shift B on your keyboard. And then from here, this page should be popping up. Right from here, you'll need to add in if you want to add order or a DOM. And then from here, you'll need to add in the buy or a sell order, depending on what type of order you want to create. Once from here, you'll simply need to add in the market or limit or stop order. And from here, you'll need to add in your specific amount that you want to purchase. So let's click 10 for this tutorial. And from here, you can also add exit like take profit price and stop loss price. Down here, you'll also be able to see your margin that you're trading with. But once you are fine with all of these options, you'll simply need to click buy like so. And as you can see, order sent has been done. And as you can see down here, the WTI will be visible down here. And if you want to close it, you'll simply need to head over to this little X over here in the right hand corner. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!